What's up guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Let's make some delicious Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, let's get started. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using for this super easy recipe. I have a yellow onion, green and red bell pepper, provolone cheese, cheese whiz, egg roll wraps, and some shaved steak. I went ahead and diced my onion and peppers up, so we're going to set that aside. And now I'm going to slice some of my provolone cheese in half to make it easier for me to roll up when making our egg rolls. Alright, we have our cheese sliced, so I'm going to set them aside and work on our beef. I have my shaved steak here. Now you can also just use some thinly sliced ribeye. As you can see, they're pretty long slices, so I'm going to cut them in half so that they're in bite-sized pieces. I got my steak cut into the size that I want them, so now I'm going to season it generously with some seasoned salt, garlic powder, and my all-purpose seasoning, which I will be dropping this year, y'all. I'm done being lazy, okay? Our steak is ready to go, so let's get to cooking. Into my cast iron skillet over a medium heat, I'm going in with some vegetable oil, and I'm going to throw my steak right on in. I'm just going to break it up a bit and move it around with my spatula so that it cooks evenly. I'm going to let this cook until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Our steak is just about done, so I'm going to throw in our peppers and onions, and I'm going to continue to let it cook for about 5 more minutes. Then our steak should be nice and cooked through. Our steak is ready, so let's throw in a few slices of our provolone cheese and let it melt down a bit, and then we'll be ready to roll. Our cheese is nice and melted, so let's get ready to assemble our egg rolls. I have my egg roll wraps here, my cooked cheesesteak mixture, I have slices of provolone cheese, and my cheese whiz. This is actually optional, guys, but I'm going to double my egg roll wraps to ensure the filling doesn't come out when I'm frying them. Then we're going to trace the edges of the wraps with a little water to help seal it. Alright, let's get the filling. I'm laying a slice of provolone cheese down, then my steak mixture, then some cheese whiz, then topping it off with another slice of cheese, and we're going to wrap it right on up just like this here. I'm just going to repeat this process until I use all of my steak mixture. Just a chef's tip, guys, if you notice on my cutting board, I have a stack of egg roll wraps sitting off to the side, so it's easy for me to grab one, right? Throw a wet paper towel on top of them to keep them from drying out, okay? We have all of our egg rolls wrapped and ready, so let's fry. I have my skillet here with some vegetable oil over a medium heat. This is at about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes before we flip them. Alright, this is after 1.5 minutes. I'm going to flip them over and let them go for 1 to 2 minutes on this side as well. As you can see, they are nice and golden brown on this second side, but I'm going to let them fry for another minute or so on that first side, okay? Alright guys, this right here is perfect. Both sides are nice and golden brown. I'm going to remove them from my skillet and let them drain on a wire rack. Then I'm going to place them in a 200 degree Fahrenheit oven to keep them warm while we fry the rest of them. Alright, y'all, our Philly cheesesteak egg rolls are all fried up, so let's open one up and plate. And that is it, guys. Our Philly cheesesteak egg rolls are complete. I served mine with some sweet chili sauce and they were amazing. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all my social medias and I will see y'all in the next video.